Welcome to Fixtastic Solutions, the channel for how-to contents. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a cigarette fuse for a Peugeot 207. What you need is a 30 amp fuse like this, mini blade fuse, and nose pliers just like this. Okay, let's begin. The first step is to open the passenger gloved compartment and then remove the fuse compartment. Just open the cover just like this. And then you're going to look out for a fuse. It's labeled F9. Yes guys, F9, a green fuse, a 30 amp fuse. I'm pointing at it now. It's here. And it should say F9 above the fuse. Okay, so check out this still picture I've taken. So now, as you can see, the fuse has been removed now. So this is the new fuse. As you can see, that line in the middle is intact. That means it's not broken. See, as you can see, this one, that line is broken. Can you see it's not connected like the new fuse? Just make sure guys you install the right fuse, the 30 amp, and make sure it's a mini blade fuse. So I'm going to show you the installation process. Just hold the fuse with the pliers just like this and push the fuse in. So now it's installed, it's time to test the cigarette socket. And I can confirm that the cigarette lighter works. Guys, have a go yourself and please comment below if you've had the same success like me.